In the last video, you created and named a document in Google Docs. Anything you type in your document is automatically saved. You can close out of your document, then open it again, and continue working in it. You can even open it from another computer or device, and everything you wrote will be there. In this video, you will add text to your document about activities to do with a friend. To start, go to the Browser tab with your document, or if you close the document after watching the previous video, reopen it now. To do this, open a new tab in your browser. Meanwhile, keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between the two. Next, open Google Drive. Google Drive is where your documents and other items you create using Google Apps are stored. Find the document you created and named in the last video. Double-click it to open it. Then think of a few activities you might like to do with a friend. These can be actual activities you like to do in your hometown, or imagined activities you've never tried before. Type the activities into your document. To type in the document, click in it. Your list of activities might include go to a coffee shop, take a walk at a local park, go to a street fair or farmer's market, see a movie, hit baseballs at the batting cages or golf balls at the driving range, or bring your dog to the dog park. After each item in your list, hit the Enter key to go to the next line. Nice work! You now have a digital document that includes a list of activities you might like to do with a friend. Move on to the next video to make your document easier to read. Now it's your turn. Go to or reopen your document. Think of a list of activities to do with a friend. Type your list into the document. Move on to the next video.